Dumelang abusheni molweni. Welcome.
Fun fact, I
Yeah.
hate sewing. If the idea is to become a global brand, how do I become a global brand that best represents who I am and my people? And then you start like just going home. Don't worry about finding your style. The most important thing for you to do is finding your voice. I'm here today, it means I'm representing my parents, representing my grandparents, my great-grandparents.
I sat down with my family and I told them, I was like, guys, like, I know what I asked for you is for you guys to take me to a private institution without money, but like, unfortunately, I'm sorry, I'm gonna disappoint you. I wanna go do fashion. And it was like, dude, like, come on, like, bro, like, suppose, are you okay?
Today we have a man who's basically going to introduce himself because at this point he doesn't even need an introduction from me. Please.
Hey,
How
bo.
are you, Tebo?
Tall, dark, and handsome. Ngiyabona.
Do you understand?
So, do you want the real story or the PR story?
The real story, please.
Okay, cool.